Welcome friends to my channel Messing with Plants. Do subscribe to this channel to know mesmerizing hacks about plants. Today I have come up with a video on microgreens. Interesting, right? Microgreens or the baby greens are young vegetables that are of 1 to 3 inches. They are rich in nutrients, hence called as superfoods. Here today I'll be growing microgreens using fenugreek and mustard seeds. So I have soaked them overnight. I have picked up one waste sweet box. You can pick up any box at your home, and I have placed the soil mixture in the box. So now once the soil mixture has been placed, start placing the soaked seeds. Make sure guys you do not overcrowd the placing of seeds. This approach can be followed to grow microgreens for various crops like wheat, rice, chickpeas, cauliflower, dill, amaranthus, and the list goes on. Once the seeds are placed, keep it under the shady place. Water microgreens using the spray bottle just to avoid the scattering of seeds. So the very next day you will be noticing the sprouts or the germinating seeds. And on the third day, you will be seeing the beautiful leaves coming out of the seeds. And this is the time where you need to place it under the sunlight. And water them regularly. These are like power packed with more and more antioxidants. And this is how it looks like after 7 days of sowing. And now they are ready to harvest. And this is of the mustard one, which have been followed with the same approach as that of the fenugreek one. You can see the uneven growth which has been seen in the mustard one and not in the fenugreek because of the overcrowding of seeds which happened in mustard. Now these microgreens are ready to use for any salad, soups, curries which would be preparing at home, as they are free from chemicals. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like, comment as much as you can and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video, any notification from our channel. Thank you for watching.